Welcome to our online tutorial, which gives you a short overview of our Primo search portal. The library portal Primo is a modern library catalog and offers access to local and external resources such as books, ebooks, journals, but also journal articles or book chapters from the university libraries collection and other databases. On the homepage of the University Library, click on the Discovery System button under Quick Access. The Primo homepage will be opened, and you will find more detailed information about our search portal, such as a quick guide to searching or how to access ebooks. Enter your search terms directly on the Primo homepage. The default setting is a simple search. Please choose whether you want to select everything or on the library catalog for your results. In our example, we select everything and receive hits from the university library as well as from other data sources. The large number of hits can be reduced and specified using various filter options. Provided by a library will only show you the physical titles of the library. In the library field, you can also select the location and the library. By clicking on the title, you will receive further information such as the shelf mark and whether the book is available for loan. If you're interested in the electronic books, set the filter Available Online and resource type Book. Next, click on the book title and then on View Online. If you are logged into the university network, you can access the content of the electronic resource. If you would like to save your search results, renew or reserve books, please log in to your library account. When logging in for the first time, please click on Passwort vergeben and enter your university email address. Thank you for your interest, and we wish you much success with your research.